start now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need these tools. So chisel, T10, and one for the clips. So from time to time, if the transportation is back and no protection on here, so this button may push, and then you can't press the button anymore. So what to do? So use the chisel, open the blue cover, and then T10, and screw it. Take this button away and put the photo clip here. It doesn't matter. Okay, so paste back this knot, so align with this shape into the knot. Okay, and then screw it, take up, and then take away the photo clip, and now it works. Close the cover.